Hi, I'm really excited to show you this new feature in Dayback's Horizon view. So let's check this out. So I'm going to go over to Horizon List, and now our schedule is a little more understandable than it was in month view. We can look at long time scales, but with this much data, it can be hard to really make sense of this unless we break it out by something. So now, in addition to being able to break out by resource or calendar, you can break out by any field in your organization, and a really common request for us is to break out by project. So once I do that, schedule starts to make a lot more sense. I can see what's going on for each of my projects. And for each of these events, we have a revenue amount. So I can turn on analytics and now plot my projects by revenue and see who our leaders are across time, which is really useful. So let's look at one other use case here. I'm going to go to bookmarks and grab this installation revenue bookmark. Bookmarks change everything in the calendar. You can see I changed the sidebar. We see our installations here. It picked some resources, changed our date range. So now again, we're looking at installation revenue, just kind of a different object, different kind of project. Over the last 3 weeks, looks like we're above plan for the next 2 weeks, but have some issues out here. Of course, I can already break this out by resource or status and see that a lot of this revenue still needs to be qualified. But each of these appointments actually has another field in addition to the invoice amount. We're tagging it as to whether it's an original install or rework. And so now we can break out by any of these fields. So now we can look at our revenue over time by whether it's an original install or rework. So we've got no records that are unassigned, that none of them don't have a type. And here's all our original install work, and here's all our rework. And we can see that going on here. I think the blue is the original install and the red is rework. This kind of thing is really useful to our customers to be able to see these breakdowns over time. And I hope you'll find it useful too. Thanks a lot.